Good morning. Today I'm in the studio for a newborn session of a little girl, and I'm going to make a flower wreath that she can lie in. So I have my equipment here and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to show you pictures of the flower wreath being used during a newborn session. So I really hope you like this tutorial. If you want to see more videos about my life as a photographer, week vlogs, showing my camera settings, my backdrops, showing you the behind the scenes videos during photo sessions, how I place my light, how I use props during my sessions, please watch my other videos as well. So this is what I brought with me today. A lot of fake flowers. I bought those in a shop called Action. Actually just three sets of white flowers. I've chosen white. Here I have a wreath that I bought in a garden center. So here you can see what the wreath actually looked like, and I covered it with some felt. I glued it on with a glue gun, so I'm not going to show you how I did that, but it's just very simple. You just wrap the fabric around, and then when the fabric runs out, you just glue it onto the wreath, and then you continue with different straps of fabric. I've chosen felt because it's nice and soft. As you can see, I've used this one before, so I pasted different flowers on top. Later I used the flowers for, let me show you. I wanted to make a flower bonnet. So I ripped off the flowers of the wreath and glued them on top of a little sitter head. And I've used it in the past for several sessions, but that means I didn't have a flower wreath anymore. Now I have several flower heads, as you might be able to see right up there. So I'm just gonna make the wreath now. So this is what you need. Just a bunch of fake flowers, scissors, a glue gun, some glue thingies to put in your gun, and your basic wreath. So what we're gonna do first is cutting off all the flowers. Sometimes you can just pull them off. This is fine. You can leave the little stem on. Actually, I don't even have to cut them. Never throw this away. You might be able to use it for something else. Okay, so this is what I decided to keep and use for my wreath. Okay, so I plugged in my glue gun. So now I'm just gonna randomly paste the flowers on the wreath. Not super randomly, because I'm not gonna do all the same colored flowers right next to each other. Kind of divide it up a little bit, but first I'm gonna fix this piece of felt. I think on the other side it's still okay. So kind of seeing later where I'm gonna divide the flowers up so they're kind of like evenly distributed, the same kind of flowers. I like these big puffy white ones. So yeah, I've chosen to make this wreath a little bit more neutral. I might even leave the green ones out. Like I have 4 green ones, and the rest are just like white and creamy ones, and then I have 4 green ones. So I'm just gonna leave them out. Here you can kind of see the different flowers I got. I actually have 4 main different type of flowers, and then just a few green details that I can add, and just some tiny white flowers as well. Don't ask me the name of the fake flowers, because I have no idea. So yeah, this is just decoration in my studio, and the green ones I'm not going to use.
That's good.
Well, hello, it's a new day, hence my change of outfit. I'm in the studio again. I have 2 newborn sessions with girls today. I didn't have the time to finish up the flower wreath yesterday, so I'm gonna finish it up today. I still have some flowers here left. I'm gonna fill it up a little bit more and then hopefully use it today. So yes, note to self: when you make a wreath with creamy colored flowers, make sure that the fabric you use underneath, which is gray in this case, is also creamy colored, so you won't notice it as much, because now I might have to Photoshop it a little bit when you see the gray. But anyway, I still have some flowers left, so I can still kind of fill up the gaps. Okay, so I have now added all the creamy colored flowers. The most important thing is that when you take a photo from the top, you're not seeing anything around the edge. That's weird, so that's okay. Except maybe here. That's okay. Here in the middle, the little things that you notice are not that much of a problem, because I have a blanket in here as well, which is creamy colored. Now I'm just debating whether I'm gonna add these parts of green. Actually, I don't think I will, or at least not yet. I'm gonna use it without the green parts for now. Just use it during a few sessions, and then if later on I feel like I'm missing something, I can always add the green. So for now, I'm thinking about using it on the flocati. And then I'm gonna just wrap this wrap around the base. So this is what it now looks like. I'm just gonna put one little posing bean underneath for the support of the head, and then the little pillow underneath. And when the baby is wrapped, just place her on the pillow and she'll be in between the flowers. And I'll show as much of the flowers as I can, but still having this blanket touching the baby so she's nice and soft in there. What do you think? Okay, it needs a baby. And this flower is coming up, so I'm gonna fix that one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and then I'll see you in the comments. And you'll see me in the next video. Bye bye.